For close round 26, after the last 2 chain here, we make a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 27, chain 1, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around the same bubble stitch, 1 and 2, now a bubble stitch, two chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet here, 1 and 2, a front post double crochet around next, 1. Now here we skip this 4 chain here, around this 4 chain space we make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then skip here, we don't work here. Around next front post double crochet we make 1 front post double crochet, 1, then 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, 1, 2, now a bubble stitch. Here chain 1, skip here, and next bubble stitch here, 2 double crochet bubble stitch, 1 and 2, now a bubble stitch, 2 chain, 1, 2, so here like this, repeat the pattern, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1, 2, then a front post double crochet around the next, skip these stitches, and around this 4 chain space here we had a 4 chain space here, around this we make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then skip here, around next front post double crochet we make 1 front post double crochet, 1, then 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around next, 1 and 2, now a bubble stitch, chain 1, skip here, then here we make 2 double crochet bubble stitch, continue this pattern, and I come back here to close this round. Here like this. For close round 27, after the last bubble stitch and chain 1, we make a slip stitch top of the first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 28, chain 1 for a start. Here we want to make bubble stitch cluster around this bubble stitch and next bubble stitch. So 1 double crochet around the last bubble stitch of round 27 and 1 double crochet around next bubble stitch. So 1 here, 1, the other one around next bubble stitch. Now a bubble stitch here like this. Now 2 chain, 1, 2, around the first front post double crochet here we make 5 front post double crochet popcorn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn. Like this. 2 front post double crochet around the next front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now chain 1. Now here around next front post double crochet and next first double crochet here we make a 2 double crochet cluster. So 1 front post double crochet around the first front post unfinished, the other one around first double crochet here, another unfinished double crochet, 3 loops on the hook and the cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2. Now again we want to make 2 double crochet cluster, 1 around this one, the other one around next. So 1 front post double crochet around the same double crochet, first double crochet here, 1, the other one around the next. So a cluster now, 2 chain, 1, 2, another cluster around same double crochet and next, 1 and 2, 3 loops on the hook and the cluster, 2 chain, again 1 front post double crochet here and the other one around next. Now a cluster, again 2 chain, again we make cluster around same double crochet and next, one and the other one around next. Now a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, another cluster around same double crochet, and the next front post double crochet here. Now a cluster, chain 1. Here we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cluster and 5 2 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here, like this. Now 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1, 2, 5 front post double crochet popcorn around the next, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, two chain, 1, 2. Now here 2 double crochet bubble stitch cluster around this bubble stitch and next 1 double crochet here, the other one around next bubble stitch. Now make a bubble stitch here, 2 chain, 1, 2, and repeat the pattern, 5 front post double crochet around first front post double crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2. Then we want to make cluster, so first chain 1, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet unfinished, the other one around first double crochet. Now a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, again we want to make 2 front post double crochet cluster around this double crochet and second one, 1 and 2, 3 loops on the hook and a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, around same double crochet and next we make a cluster, 1 and the other one around the next. Now a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, again another cluster here around this one, 1 and 2, now a cluster, again 2 chain, 1, 2, another cluster around same double crochet and next, 1 and 2, now a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, another cluster around same double crochet and first front post double crochet here, so 1 front post double crochet around same double crochet and next front post double crochet here. Now a cluster, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, Now 5 front post double crochet popcorn around necks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here like this. 2 chain, 1, 2. Now here 2 double crochet bubble stitch cluster around this bubble stitch and next. So 1 double crochet here, the other one around next bubble stitch. Now make a bubble stitch here, 2 chain, and continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here to show you how to close this round. So in this round we make bubble stitch cluster, 2 chain, popcorn, 2 front post double crochet, then 6 cluster, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, plus 2 chain between them, then chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around legs, 5 front post double crochet popcorn, 2 chain, bubble stitch cluster, 2 chain, and repeat this pattern. It will be like this.